Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start in the BIOS after enabling XMP or DOC so you have a known baseline. Once in the memory settings, write down current DRAM frequency and the primary timings: CL, TRCD, TRP, TROS. First actionable move: reduce one primary timing by one step, usually CAS latency, then save and reboot. You do one change at a time so you can isolate effects. This prevents chasing multiple variables and lets you see whether the system boots and posts before deeper tuning. Once you confirm the system posts after the first timing change, you focus on stability. If you see errors or crashes, raise DRAM voltage in small increments: 0, 0, 1 to 0, 0, 5V, until stable, because tighter timings can need a bit more voltage. Make sure to run quick stress tests like a 10 to 30-minute mem test or HCI mem test session to catch immediate faults. If primaries are stable, you may tighten secondary timings slowly. Keep a log of every change so you can backtrack efficiently. You finalize by running an extended stability check, aim for 4 hours or more, while monitoring temperatures and error logs. Once satisfied, save settings as a BIOS profile so you can restore them easily. If you encounter failures, step back, revert the last timing change or increase voltage slightly. If problems persist, restore the original XMP profile. One crucial troubleshooting tip: if the board won't boot, clear the CMOS to return to safe defaults, and then reapply changes more conservatively to identify the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.